Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix starting the output failed on OBS Studio and Windows. Let's get into it. First of all, open File, go to Settings, go to Output. For video bitrate, set it for at least 6000 if you're trying to output 1080p or above. If you're an NVIDIA card, choose NVENC H264. And if you're an AMD, choose this one at the top, and if neither work, try the software X264, although it is quite a bit slower. If it isn't working and your NVIDIA card, I would update your NVIDIA card. If you're an integrated CPU, I would update that as well. How do you do that? Go to Device Manager. This is for updating your CPU driver, and find your CPU here, wherever it might be, and then right click on it and say update driver, then search automatically for drivers. The next thing you want to do is run OBS as administrator, so you want to right click on wherever this is, if you can find it. Right click on it and say run as administrator. The next thing you want to do, by the way, if you want to do that every time, you have to locate where it is installed, and then right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator, hit apply, hit OK, and it will run as administrator every time you click on it. If you are having an error with the codec, try switching to a different codec, or you might not have the codec, it might be corrupted or missing. You can download the codec called a K-Lite codec pack. So you can just Google K-Lite codec pack and then download it. It's free, it's amazing. Give it a try. If you're on NVIDIA, download that. That might fix it. And again, just try a different encoder output if it's not working. Next thing you might want to try is to, well, disable your antivirus. So go to Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, Virus and Threat Protection Settings, Manage Settings, turn off Real-Time Protection, and then go into Task Manager. Just type in Task Manager here, and basically just end all of the tasks, all of the processes that are taking a GPU or memory or even CPU, just end all of them. Mostly anti-cheat for Valorant or things like that, or overlays for games or overlays for NVIDIA or Steam. They tend to cause issues, so quit all of them and try it once again to see if that fixes your issue. And that should be it. That should have fixed it. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.